Okay, so now, Daddy, what is your item for letter K?
Tissue.
Kiss, can you show me? Okay, kiss, okay, 1 point. How about letter A? Okay, letter A. Alcohol, letter I. iPhone, okay, letter T. What's that? Parental guidance. Wag na. Okay, but it's letter T in Tagalog. Saan nyo napulot yan? Okay, how about letter A? Headset, okay. Mami, can we give some prize? Mami, don't I to get a prize? Okay, so wait ha. Okay, Mami, we have a winner. Lahat po sila mananalo. Okay, so na. Yeah, okay, Daddy, can you take your prize? Doon na lang po sa adults, okay? So, okay, here we go. Very good. Okay, you can sit down now. Okay, how about, ayan, unahin ko po kayo, ha? Okay, letter K. Okay. Key. Okay, letter A. Abanico. Letter I. ID. Letter D. Towel. And letter H. Handkerchief. Okay, very good. Okay, so now you may take your seat now. Okay, let's start with this team. Okay, so now, mukhang kulang ha. Okay, wait. We will check. Letter K. Hanapan ko na paraan yan. Kape! Very good. Letter A. ATM. Okay, letter I. Ito pwede ko ipakita. Itlog. Ha? Saan nyo galing to? Okay, letter T. Table. Letter H. Hala! Kulang! Okay, anyway. Okay, we give consolation prize. Okay, so now, how about this name? Okay, letter K. Kiss, letter A. ATM, puro pare-parehas ha. Okay, letter I. ID, letter T. Tag, ayun, kakaiba. Letter H. Hat. Okay, thank you so much. Take your prize. Okay, and last team is letter K. Kiss. Okay, please our audience. Letter A. AA. Alcohol. Letter I. ID, letter T. Tissue and letter H. Handkerchief. Okay, congratulations. You will receive a prize. Okay, so get ready. So now, listen very carefully. Okay, this time, okay, Mommy, in a few moments, we will proceed for